Take a deep breath in right here. Exhale out. Upwards. Okay, relax your shoulders more.
Ah, that feels so good.
Good, just like this way. Let's take a deep breath in. Exhale out. I'm gonna push this way. Good. Awesome.
Yeah, I felt that. I felt that.
A little tight. Awesome. C3. Right here. I'm gonna pull. Good. Awesome. T3 on this right side. Right here. It's gonna push. Good. There it is. Good. All right. It's like a reset. Yeah. You feel some things moving already? Yeah. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Good. Come in closer. You might hit it. Take another deep breath in. Exhale out. Good. And relax your shoulders more. Good. Ooh. Yeah. I'm trying to.
I forgot.
Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. There you go.
Ooh.
Take another deep breath in. Exhale, good.
That felt good.
Hold tight right there. Good. Take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way. I'm going to push here. Good. Good. Right there. Going to go right through the C18-9 area. Exhale out. Good. Look up a little bit there for me. Good. Right here. Relax the shoulders. Good. That's a little tight. Let's go T1. That's good. Relax a little bit more. Good. Little one. Region. Take a deep breath in, tuck your chin in a little bit, and exhale all the way out. Good. There it is. Tilt your head. Good. Awesome. Good. Relax a little more. Good. There it is. Start right here. Take a deep breath in and then exhale out. There you go. Good. Oh wow. Take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Good. Pull. And boy. Yep. On your back. Exhale out. Relax a little. Better. In the middle. Place my hand right here. I'm gonna push just like that. That's already moving. Whew. And then one more. That's not bad. On your back now. Got a little bit done. And then exhale all the way out. That's good. 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 Take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Good. It's really tight. Exhale out more. Good. There we go. You alright? There you go. We're gonna go right through here. Relax just a little bit more. We're gonna good. Extension. So come look up more as hard as you can. Good. I'm gonna push right up here. Good. Relax more. Good. Good. Okay. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. On your other side for me. Good. Take a deep breath in here and then exhale out. Good. Good. So we're gonna move him down. I'm gonna push. Exhale all the way out. Good. Good. I'm gonna turn. Go right through here. Good. It's already moving. Good. Good. You want to push this way right there. Good. Exhale. Good. Good. Bring your head this way. Pull it up. Tilt your chin up more. Chin up. Good. Now relax. Good. And then we're gonna go right